Hello everyone, so Ritik Singh welcome you all on this channel of mine with a new session where we'll discuss the PYQs of UGC NET 2025. Okay, so let's start the question paper. We'll solve 20 questions in each video of ours. Okay, so stay tuned to the video. Okay, so let's begin the question paper. So here the first question is arrange the following statements chronologically in order of their appearance in Aristotle Poetics. Okay, so these are the statements, the five statements given to you, and we have to correct it chronologically. Okay, so the correct answer will be the fourth option, that is A, B, C, E, D. The plot is the end at which tragedy aims, then regarding the plot, then the plot of the tragedy, then the function of the poet is to narrate, and last में हमारा character आ जाता है, the character in question. Okay, moving to the next question. So Erziehungsroman is a term which signifies, the correct answer will be German term signifies novel of education. Okay, next question. Kipling's story Mrs. Bathurst is set in, the answer would be South Africa. Okay, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन अगेन क्रोनोलॉजिकल ऑर्डर में पुट करना है जिसमें कुछ वर्क्स हैं, दैट इज कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स ऑफ मेन मैनर्स, द एडवांसमेंट ऑफ लर्निंग, इंक्वायरी इनटू द ओरिजिनल ऑफ आर आइडिया एंड द प्लान ऑफ अ डिक्शनरी. Okay, so choose the correct answer from the following. So the correct answer would be the fourth option, that is B, A, C, D. Okay, B, A, C, D. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज मैच द फॉलोइंग. ओके, कोटेशंस दिए हैं जिसको आपको ऑथर्स के साथ मैच करना है. So these are the quotations and these are the names of the authors. So the correct answer would be the second option, that is A का 4, B का second, C का first and D का third. One day I wrote her name upon the strand would be of Edmund Spenser. Under the greenwood tree would be of William Shakespeare. The curfew tolls the knell of parting day is of Thomas Gray. And remember how we picked the daffodils is of Ted Hughes. Next question. Which bibliography is concerned with the close analysis? अब आपको यहीं से पता चल गया कि close analysis word is given. So of course you know the answer would be analytical bibliography. Okay. Next question. According to the 1991 census, how many languages are considered scheduled languages? The answer would be 18. Next question. Which of the schools of criticism has strongly opposed formalism in both its European and American varieties, rejecting the view that there is a sharp and definable division between ordinary language and literary language? So the answer would be third option, that is B, C, and D. Reader response criticism, speech act theory, and new historicism. Next question. Who among the following is considered as the father of South African English poetry? The answer would be Thomas Pringle. Next question. Sorry. Identify the subtitle of Oliver Goldsmith's semi-autobiographical poem The Traveller. The answer would be A Prospect of Society. Next question. Again, statements are given and you have to choose the correct ones. Okay. So these are the statements and the answer would be the first option, that is A, C, and E. Michael Bakhtin traces the roots of the novel back into Imperial Rome and ancient Hellenistic romances. Then Margaret Anne Doody locates novels' birthplace in the cultures of the ancient Mediterranean. And George Lucas calls the novel the epic of a world invented by God. Next question is match the following. That is, again, with the writers of the same. So the answer would be the second option, that is surprised by sin the reader in Paradise Lost by Stanley Fish. Five readers reading is Normal Holland. The reader that text the poem is Luz Rosenblatt. With respect to readers is Walter J. Slatoff. Next question. Again, few statements are given. regarding Charles Lamb, and you have to find the correct options. And the answer would for the same would be option number three, that is A, C, and E only. Now the next question. Jacques Derrida's Archie fever of Freudian impression is related to, the answer is archival method. Next question. Who is the of the opinion that the concept of ideology is the most important conceptual category in cultural studies? Answer is Graham Turner, who has written two pillars upon which a theory of criticism must rest are on account of value and account of communication. Answer is I. Richards. Again, few statements are given and you have to find the correct ones. We'll just get to the answer. That is A, D, and E. Second option is the correct one. Geoffrey Chaucer wala, Shakespeare wala, and Alexander Pope wala. Next, the term trace, which refers to the trace of the other, has been borrowed by Jacques Lacan from Emmanuel Levinas. Second option is the correct one. Next, again, few works are given and you have to arrange it chronologically. And the answer for the same would be CADEB. That is history of sexuality, then gender trouble, then new lesbian criticism, then bad bodies that matter, and the last would be a history of gay literature. And the last question for today's session is, again, statements are given. So just read the statements, and the answer for the following would be, you have to choose the correct option. Okay. Answer for the following would be the second option, that is A, C, and D. Macaulay, Arnold, and Newman. These are the correct answers. So thank you very much. This much for this session. Stay tuned for part two of the session. Thank you.